Kingdom Protista. These are single-celled eukaryotes. They contain a well-defined nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Algae and protozoa are included in this kingdom, mostly unicellular or simple multicellular. These members live in water, that is, aquatic in nature. This kingdom forms a link with other kingdoms dealing with plants, animals, and fungi. Protists reproduce asexually and sexually by a process involving cell fusion and zygote formation. In this module, we include the following groups under Kingdom Protista. 1. Chrysophytes. 2. Dinoflagellates. 3. Euglenoids. 4. Slime molds. And 5. Protozoans.
Most are aquatic, but not all of them. Some are unicellular, but many are also multicellular. They are all eukaryotic, but some can reproduce sexually and others asexually. Some are heterotrophs, but others are autotrophs. Some are decomposers, and others are parasites. There are several major groups of protists.
Organisms are made up of cells. Some have lots, some only one. Protists are single-celled organisms that don't quite classify as an animal or a plant, but fall somewhere in between. They function as an entity all to themselves, which means, like most organisms, they eat, move, reproduce, and excrete waste. And these single-celled all-stars each have their own unique way of doing these things. When it comes to eating, some protists use the trusty surround and digest method. Some sweep food to their special mouth parts, while others use a mix of photosynthesis and the old surround and digest method. In order to move, some protists shape themselves into false feet to blob their way through the environment, while others move about with little hairs called cilia or whip-like structures called flagella. And when it comes to excretion, amoeba, paramecium, and euglena all tackle it using vacuoles, little organelles that collect waste and contract to squirt it out of the cell. So whether it's a group of 37 trillion cells or just one, we have more in common than you might think.
Protozoa are made up of a single cell. They are usually found in water bodies and soil and make up the backbone of many food webs by providing nutrients for other organisms to grow.